In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate your Trello board efficiently and make the most out of its features. Trello is a fantastic tool for managing projects, organizing tasks, or just keeping track of what needs to get done. But understanding its interface is key to utilizing its full potential. Let's start at the bottom with our floating navigation toolbar. This handy feature allows you to toggle the visibility for your inbox, planner, and board views. Since the board is the primary focus in Trello, we'll keep it open for now. If you hover over each icon here, you'll notice keyboard shortcuts appear. These are great for improving your productivity and speeding up navigation as you become more familiar with them. Right next to this is the Switchboards button. This is your gateway for jumping between different boards you're working on. If you're juggling multiple projects or tasks, this feature will be essential. Now, focusing on the Trello board itself, the main components you'll interact with are lists and cards. At the top left is where you'll find your board's title. Lists act as categories or sections within your board, helping you organize tasks or ideas into manageable chunks. Each list contains cards, which are individual tasks or items you can detail further. To add a new task or item, locate the Add Card button at the bottom of each list. You can also add an entire list to your board with the Add List button, allowing you to expand and adapt your board as your projects evolve. Up on the top right, you'll see the board toolbar. This is where your automation buttons, power-ups, or plugins reside. Trello's extensive library of automation tools and power-ups can greatly enhance your workflow, allowing you to tailor each board to specific needs and goals. In the top middle section of your Trello view is the search bar. This feature can be an incredible time saver. You have the ability to search for specific criteria across all the boards in your workspace, making it easier to locate information or tasks wherever they might be housed. Finally, by clicking the Trello button at the top left of your screen, you can return to your home view. The home view gives you an overview of all the boards and workspaces you belong to, offering a centralized starting point to manage your work efficiently. And that's a wrap. With these features in your toolkit, you'll be navigating your Trello board like a pro in no time. Remember, practice and exploration will help cement this knowledge, so don't hesitate to dive in and discover all that Trello has to offer. Thank you for watching, and happy organizing.